There will come a day when everything you've been working for finally pays off. But until that day, you need to wake up every morning like you're broke, like you've got something to prove. Because nobody's coming to save you. The world owes you nothing. It's on you to build, to grind, to push harder when you feel like quitting. Winners don't wait for perfect conditions, they make progress in the storm. You will be underestimated, you will be doubted, but that's your fuel. Let the pain drive you, let the struggle shape you. Because diamonds form on